Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to write fractions in Notion quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to type clean, professional-looking fractions like 1/2, 3/4, or any other custom fraction directly inside your Notion workspace. This is super useful whether you're putting together math notes, recipes, lesson plans, or anything that needs a fraction. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to act just like you're about to add any other element in Notion. Simply click into your page where you want the fraction to appear. Now, type a / like this to bring up Notion's command menu. Start typing inline equation right after the slash. So it'll look like this, inline equation. Once you see inline equation pop up in the list, go ahead and hit enter or just click on it. This opens up a little math box where you can write equations right inside your notes, which is really handy if you're dealing with any kind of mathematical expressions. Now, here's the important part for writing a fraction. Inside the equation box that appears, you'll need to type a specific bit of code called LaTeX. If you're not familiar, LaTeX is just a fancy way that computers handle equations and math symbols. For fractions, you type /frac, which stands for fraction. And right after that, in curly brackets, you put the numbers you want. First your numerator, then your denominator. For example, to write 1/2, you type /frac 1 tio. Think of the curly brackets as little baskets holding the two numbers, one on top, two on the bottom. As soon as you finish typing it, Notion magically renders it as a perfect fraction. Take a second to check how that looks. You should see 1/2 displayed just like you would in a textbook. If you want a different fraction, just swap out the 1 and 2 for whatever numerator and denominator you need, like frac 3 or 4 for 3/4. This is a great way to make your notes look polished and easy to read. And that's pretty much the standard method. But let's say you want to type multiple equations quickly, or you just prefer shortcuts. You can also use the LaTeX syntax directly without digging into the equation box through the menu. Wherever you are in your Notion page, just type plot inline equation, and then immediately after, type your fraction in the same way, frac, numerator, denominator. For example, you'd type lot inline equation /frac alpha 5/8 if you wanted 5/8. Notion will recognize it and show it as a fraction, saving you a few clicks. If all of this sounds a little technical, don't worry. It's literally just a quick slash the word inline equation and your fraction code. Try it a few times and you'll get the rhythm down. Plus, once you've done it once or twice, you'll find yourself flying through this process in Notion, adding fractions wherever you need. So there you have it, a simple way to write fractions in Notion that works every time. I hope this helps you tidy up your notes, add clarity to your calculations, or just make your workspace look that little bit smarter. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want me to cover any other Notion tricks, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another beginner-friendly Notion tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.